back at you is Randy, myscreenkit.net, king of solarscreens.com. Folks, I am on location. One of the biggest questions I also receive is, hey, screen guy, can we cover this glass block window? My Lord, yes. And I beg you to do it. These things are like magnifying glasses for the heat and the sun and all that glare. Definitely do it. I'm on actually location here in the Leak City area, Texas. I'm going to pause this and then we're going to install it. And boom, folks, just like that, I have installed that. And what we have here is a beautiful 1-inch aluminum frame, Screenco USA, 90% black Twitchell, also 100% made in America, something we are proud of, something we stand by. This particular bathroom had 2 of these. It's basically a 60 by a 50. Now, at the end of the day, the only thing that's going to be hot in this bathroom is the water you put in the tub. Oh my. I hope that answers your questions. Do us a favor, subscribe while you're here.